Oh, wow. Had a bot sale for the first time today on SPXU. Interesting. SPY must be about to do something different.
All right, I'm up 6% on that 410 call.
What's SPXU versus SPXW?
SPXU is the 3 times leveraged short of the SPY. I am not sure what the W is.
So short means like it's like the opposite.
Yeah.
Yes.
Gotcha.
I mean,
So like,
I think is
Go
the
ahead.
3 times. It's like the equivalent to T triple Q.
No, TQQ follows QQQ.
Well, no, I just
Yeah,
mean it's a triple leverage in the positive direction. SPXU is in the negative direction. SPXW is in the positive direction.
okay, but let me just see. Hold on. I'm not finding an XPXW at all.
That's just regular SPX, I think.
Holy.
Yeah, W is for the weekly
Hey.
expiration.
Oh yeah. So XPX, give you just a brief. XPXU is the bear triple leveraged, like short, meaning the opposite way of SPY, and then UPRO is the bull side triple leverage. They're both there's different companies that make different ETFs like direction, but the opposite of XPXU exactly is made by ProShares, which is UPRO. Just
Gotcha.
useless information, but that is the opposite exactly of SPXU.
You guys want to know something? If that call, that 410 call happens before Monday, you're looking at a 3,200% gain.
What's 3,200 times 16?
I have no idea.
$51,000, just about.
No, that's no way.
Actually, my mistake. I'm looking at it for today. No.
Oh wait,
my mistake.
16.
My mistake. So if it on the 26th, if it goes up to 410, it's 656%.
All right, 656. All right, go.
So I'll turn to $1.21 a contract.
So $15 to $121.
Yeah.
4-0.
4-0.
You should be able to at least get $1 for it.
Bull took a 39.70 call going into FOMC.
Oh, I told y'all. Y'all don't believe me. 396 is my number. 396.
I believe you. I believed you. I'm the one who asked for it.
If it don't happen, I'm gonna speak it into existence.
I mean, you called it the last time.
It just, yeah, it's looking at a draw though. I mean, if you know the levels of where you at, where's the next?
All right, hold on. I gotta reset my
downward.
Discord. Right back.
Cool.
All right, I'm back. Like nothing was loading in the Discord for me. Hey, we got a new person named Lucid.
Yeah, it's my buddy.
Cool. Oh.
All right, I'm gonna walk up to the office. I'll be back in a minute.
Gonna walk up there and yell, "Blood diamond." From the rooftop. Shout it from the rooftop. Birdie's gonna say golden buy. Right? Golden buy.
What's going on, peoples?
We're just waiting for the DGen champs to show up.
Oh, hold on, sorry, my audio's not working. Can you hear me okay?
You just fine.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay. A little Fed meeting, huh? A little Fed meeting. I looked through all the messages, obviously, and I responded. Bertie, are you here?
I haven't heard him in a minute.
Okay. How are you doing, Lauren? You all right?
Man, I'm stressed to the moon and back, but I'm here. We'll see what happens.
Have you worked out today?
No, I go. I'm gonna go this afternoon.
Okay, gotcha.
My morning trainee couldn't come, so I was so damn tired last night, man. Like, my body was like, we're done with this. Okay, fair enough. It's been a ongoing saga for me 2 times a day, 7 days a week for like 5 months.
I'm stressed. I'm stressed to the roof right now. I left at 11:45 and just ran straight to the gym. Got a 30-minute workout and just tired myself out. And now I'm back and ready to rumble.
But I thought about going. I was like, you know what? Go pick up some blanks, some t-shirt blanks and stuff. I'm just gonna come hang out here and watch this unfold. I mean, knowing good and well, I'm not gonna probably take any trades till after. But
that's all right.
IV is just so crazy. This might be a record. I think Zeke was saying I actually see a record IV day.
Wouldn't surprise me in the slightest.
122% is pretty high.
Yeah, no kidding. No kidding.
I wonder what it will go down to. That's the question. How low will it go? 50, 60% maybe?
Maybe. I think it's going to be pretty fucking high, though.
Got to pull up. It's not on the White House page. Federal. It's fine. It's probably going to be on YouTube.
I got to find it in a second so I can stream it for everyone.
FederalReserve.gov. Yeah, FederalReserve.gov. Press conference 2:30. Perfect.
Those terrible.
What's up, Dakota?
Yo.
What's up, peoples?
Did you take a look at what I posted in the staff alerts, staff plays? Very interesting. TA.
It's loading up. Why is it not loading for me?
I don't know. Is it not loading?
I don't. Well, I can see it, but when I click on it to enlarge it, it's not loading for me. Not actually. There's multiple things that are not loading. Fuck.
Yeah, it's loading for me. I see it right here.
Yeah.
Right here.
It's on my end. Oh, here we go. Okay, March FOMC. Okay, so what does that tell you, Dakota? I'm looking at it, but what does that tell you?
Statistically speaking, with every interest rate hike, we'll see a plummet at 2. If it doesn't hike, we'll just be chilling.
When you say hike, are you referring to if we get a higher basis point than expected?
Yeah.
Okay.
Expected or not expected. So every single chart that I sent so far from this year, markets have dumped at 2 p.m. Eastern when the rate hike came out, and rails right back up at 2:30. So, we could see a dump and then a fly or something. I don't know. So it's just interesting. Kind of where all the institutions are playing it the same way. And my account is still not moving. This is insane. We could be watching history.
Could be.
First time ever it goes off in 40 years or whatever.
Could
Right?
be going
40.
the highest interest rates in history.
You are watching history, my man.
Sir Johansson, how are you, my good sir?
Doing fantastic, man. Just wish the bot would produce some income today. That's all. I've had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. One of them was at a 0.02% gain.
Well, once we get some algorithmic alerts and we get Zinc covered with whatever software we want to use, you'll have some other ways to ball out, my good sir.
I mean, this is quite funny. I was expecting a banger of a day, and I guess it's just chopping. I guess that's the reason.
Every algo would get slaughtered in this.
Yeah, I got it.
Every algo would get slaughtered in this.
Oh, you talking about like day trading algos?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, is that so? So this is normal, is what you're telling me? Because it doesn't feel normal.
Well, I mean,
yeah.
Go ahead.
Since we've only chopped in a 40-cent range, there's not much you can do off of that unless you're like HFT trading, which I assume you're not.
No.
You've been proud of me, Dakota. I was going to say the same thing.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Good. I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah. You need something like, I believe Tesla. If your bot traded Tesla today, you could have made something probably. Let's go take a look at Tesla. No, not even that. $2 range. Like, it's all gridlocked. Apple, you could have done something because it was a clean defined. It was a really clean run up, run back down, $3 move, run back up. That could have scalped that.
Yeah. I see what you're talking about. I see Apple. Yeah. You could have. Yeah. Like if Apple would have been my TQ, I would have caught SQQ on the down and then TQQ on the up. Yep.
What is your bot signaling off of, if you don't mind me asking?
No, I don't mind you asking at all. It's a custom tweaked, normalized, smoothed MACD, maybe? Hold on, let me see. Yes.
Okay, so you're running an oscillator. So
a normalized, smooth MACD that has been tweaked off of another indicator that I was paying for a while. That I was able to find this normalized, smooth MACD, and I was able to emulate that. Then that's basically what I'm running. So there you go.
Yeah. So you also have to remember oscillators, because they go at the bottom of your chart. They're actually not real technical analysis. They're actually delayed in time. So you may be getting information too slow for what you're trying to accomplish. Fun fact.
Okay.
All right, I'm back. Hello.
Sorry, I'm not I'm just trying to help you out. I think that could be part of the problem as well. I don't know.
Well, I mean, if I run like, I can do my measuring and all that, and like, but I see what you're saying.
Yeah, oscillators are used typically like for general direction, not for like in and out trading. So if you're gonna do something like that with an oscillator on an algorithm, typically I see people do it for like days of trading. So like they buy Apple on a weekly chart knowing that it should be going down because the oscillator's saying it goes down, and it holds it for like 4 days, then it pops out with profit.
Got it. I see what you're saying. So, a longer time frame.
Yeah, it's typically a higher time frame there.
Hey, Clayton.
Yes, sir.
I just saw this tweet from Market Rebellion. It says seen on WSB. I was just next to the J-Pod, the urinal at his meeting. I asked him to shake once for 75, shakes twice for 100. He started shaking violently. What do you think it means?
We're either going to Valhalla or fuck.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
So, obviously 8 minutes until everything comes out. With everything inflated as it is, let me get the 0-day pulled up because that's Jesus. Yeah, so
33% on the IV.
Yeah, with everything as high as it is, would playing a short dated credit spread so like numbers come out and it's not good for the markets, it's heading down a little bit. If I open
Michael.
Yes, sir.
The best thing that I think to do, if I were to take a trade right now, I would go $5 or I would go $50 or $60 out of the money for SPX on calls and puts.
Those are 10.0 currently, Clayton.
Those are
Those are $1,000 each right now.
Okay, maybe I go on.
You want to go $140 out of the money? That's still $150.
That's fine. That's fine.
I came in here to ask Lauren, how fast do you think these contracts are gonna poof? Just gone.
Vanish.
It's gonna be in minutes. Maybe not even. It might even be.
I'm
seconds,
up 12% right now.
I think that if we, no matter what direction we go, these contracts are gonna be sliced in half, every single one of them, within 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Oh.
That's okay. Yeah.
Great. My covers are gonna.
Okay, let me get my covered calls going. Hold on, pause.
Oh, mine already going, Clayton.
So Clayton's over here going. Oh, you could put $150 on each side. Clayton, you have to go fucking $150 out of the money. $150 out of the money. You think we're gonna make a $15 move off this?
In my defense, I wasn't looking at the options chain, and I'm stupid. Okay, all right, thanks. Goodbye.
The IV is currently 140%.
Yeah, it is, baby.
145% on the ones that you want, Clayton.
Gross. Never mind. Sorry, I misspoke.
Wait, what did he's like? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Don't buy nothing.
What time zone is this right now?
Dude, look at the market as a whole. Everyone is not buying anything. They're like, nope.
I'm in covered calls and covered puts. That's it. It's the only thing I've got my money in short term right now. That is it. No, I don't have any money in it. I have money in the covered puts. Lucifer, what if you sell a call way out of the money, just collect free trade? Lucifer, so on the when I want premium and I want to sell covered calls, I do go out of the money. When I don't want to get exercised, I go quite a bit out of the money and I just collect the cash. That's a very much. You mean? So are you telling? Yeah, but if you sell a call, you have to have 100 shares of whatever it is you're selling, Lucifer, in order for that to be a proper covered call.
Hey, are you guys gonna stream the talk in here?
Yes, I am.
Cool.
So I need to get the link. I don't even know where he's speaking.
It's at Federal Reserve.
Ooh, I got a fun spread pulled up.
You said on the Federal Reserve site?
Federal Reserve.
Yeah, there it is.
/live dash. I just haven't pasted.
There it is.
You just copy and pasted it where?
In your chat.
Oh, I
okay.
beat you to it, Lauren.
Did you son of a bitch? Son of a bitch. You know what? Just for that, I'm gonna give you a fucking cancel emoji.
Wait, hold
Oh,
on.
yeah?
It's not,
Oh,
wait,
yeah?
where'd you put it in?
In the chat in here. The chat in here.
Your live chat.
Oh, got it. Okay. Sorry, my computer's loading slow as shit.
Yeah, well, you get that.
Oh, you bastard.
All right, when it's up, I'll start streaming.
$18.75 on that call.
What did Bubba say? Bubba said can't get in right now. We're trying to kill me and out of school. Okay, cussing in.
I was talking to him.
Kramer tweeted bullish FOMC. We're all fucked.
Oh gosh.
Oh, here it goes. There's the spike, the pre-spike.
Oh yeah.
Is it?
Bull's posting some kind of GIF in his chat. Let's see, 39.70. He's sitting at $5.
39.70s. I got 39.80s right now.
Michael Jackson eating popcorn.
Oh gosh.
All right.
Wait, and how do you?
I
Go
got
ahead,
spreads.
Birdie.
I got 37.60s and 39.80s, and also 38.80s and 38.85s.
Somehow I feel like you're about to just fucking bank on those.
I don't know.
Birdie always banks.
He does.
I bought 2 in the money contracts for 32 or 33.70 and 31, and then I bought these fucking 200 of these fuck boys outside the money.
If we rip, I'm going to be covering calls like a madman. I've got 150 covered calls with this fucking pump's name on it.
All right.
And if anybody's curious, that means I think it's not going to last long.
Right.
Oh gosh.
Dude, the IV
2 minutes.
132. Mr. Zink, what was the high IV before? Is he still in here? It's still here. Nope.
I can tell you the IV real quick if you want.
I know what it is now, but what was the high before?
He said 145 or something like that.
It's so high.
Yeah.
That's pretty high.
Oh. So numbers don't come out at 2. He has to speak them. That's correct, or no, they come out at 2.
I believe they come out
Comes out at 2. The press conference is at 2:30.
Understood. Thank you.
It's going to come down to what he thinks we're going to do going forward. That's what's really going to be the determining factor.
Yes, I agree. You know,
0.75 next time. Rates are going to remain higher. We're not going to lower them. It's going to fucking sink this.
I had a pretty in-depth conversation regarding that, and basically, you know, it's not so much the 0.75 or the 1 this go around. It's what is the expected final number? You know, what's and I think that's going to play a.
You won't find that out until the meeting either. The 2:30.
Just for clarification, Sir Johansson, you're referring to what's going to be the final number of how much they're going to hike interest rates? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Got it.
Hey, where are we going to find out the? Where are we going to find out the quickest what the rate is?
I've got my Thinkorswim news up.
Okay. Can you just let me know once you hear?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Thank you.
That's a pump.
There's a pump. There's a pump.
No pump.
But it's not even.
That's not even it. It's about to be. Oh,
There it is.
Holy
smash! Oh, look at the smash candle. Now back up. 265. Oh,
what the fuck?
Rocket shit.
Well, my EMA just went epileptic.
Look at the smash.
I was on the wrong account. Hold on, is it still
Blood
saved?
diamond. Can I get a blood diamond on TQQ on one end?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, but wait, it's gonna rock. This is your buy point. If you were gonna buy a call, you buy it right here. Because worst, it's gonna go right back to the fuck where it was just at.
Hey Clayton, ask me how much my account has moved.
I think I know the answer.
It has moved $20.
That's kind of interesting.
Yeah.
My account's just moved 12 grand in one
Fed
candle.
hikes interest rate by 75 BPS.
They're doing the 75?
Yep.
So that's good.
It's Valhalla, 396.
Getting fucking wrecked on calls, bro.
Yeah, they are.
Oh
Wow.
my god.
Well, I just closed the covered call on TQQ.
Yeah, I might be about to start closing them. Okay, all right. So 75 basis points. CEO Jamie Dimon says Ukraine and China pose the greatest vulnerability for the U.S.'s financial stability. Appreciate you, Jamie Dimon. Thank you for the insight. That was fucking worthless.
Trying to get filled on a spread is just pointless.
Voted 12 to 0 for Fed funds rate action. Fed officials see Fed fund rates as a median of 4.4% at the end of 2022, 4.6 at the end of 2023, and 3.9 at the end of 2024. Holy shit.
What happened? What was that?
Fed officials see funds rates at a median of 4.4% at the end of 2022, 4.6% at the end of 2023, and 3.9% at the end of 2024. U.S. 10-year Treasury, holy shit, shit's just piling in right now. Fed officials see funds rate at a median of 2.9% at the end of 2025. Holy shit. Holy shit. This is a multi-year problemo. Okay, well.
Right.
U.S. 10-year Treasury yields rise to 3.64% after Fed meeting statement, highest since 2011, post-2008.
All we got to do is close above 381, which if we keep dropping, I'm just going to stop out. But if we just close above 381, full profit. Not a bad.
Man, I really thought he was going to go for the 100.
Clay, you know what you just read? You know what that tells you? It basically so the last Fed meeting, it skyrocketed because his comments they saw that maybe end of this year, early next, that they would pivot and start lowering rates. And then at Jackson Hole, he clarified, no, that's not true. And what you just shared about where they see rate projections are showing you there's no pivot anywhere in sight. That's why you see the sell-off, I think.
Yeah, Mr. Connection's exactly right. The Fed pivot's kind of out of the window.
I mean, if you see 4.6 in next year and then 3.9 not until 24, that means they're not expecting a pivot at all next year.
No, they're not. They're expecting an increase.
Well, yeah, increasing into middle to late of next year is what they're basically saying.
Wow.
I think we should have deviated, to be honest.
Okay, all right, finally we got some good news. Fed officials see inflation of 5.4% by the end of 2022. 2.8% by the end of 2023.
If we break that,
look at the blood. Jesus.
Yeah.
Well, as soon as I say we got some good news finally, the market's like, no.
Wow, that 37.40 don't look so bad now, does it? Bitch, up to $4. Jesus.
That's a dumpy if I've ever seen one.
Yeah, but that's unlikely to saying that, right? I mean,
that's what I'm curious about.
I mean, maybe hell, it just jumped $7.
Well, the only thing that we can expect on the bullish side of the aisle is good midterms, and hopefully that they hold the expectation of a 5.4% inflation rate by the end of 2022.
How is my UPRO covered calls down right now? Can anyone explain that?
Yes, because we've talked about this. Remember, UPRO's options are very wonky, and when they get volatile, the back and forth of the leverage for the premium just oscillates, and it's really annoying.
Gotcha. Because it's saying I'm down $150 or some shit.
It'll fix. It'll fix. It's the IV that's fucking it up.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Yep. It will fix.
So I just got out of puts for $2,000.
Guys.
Wow, nice job.
Beautiful.
And then I'm still holding my SPY January 20th, 2023 350s and still my October 28th 362s for an update position for you guys.
Beautiful.
And they're basically at break even now because I've been legging in very slowly to these, so I've definitely went negative for a good bit, but we're at even now at this range. Wow.
There's a lot of floor trades coming in right now from the stock exchange.
I bet.
Well, typically it's they're not traded from the floor. It's like from the from an office, I guess. But
Hey Clayton,
Yes, sir.
you should see my SPX spread. What would happen?
Give me 1 second. I posted in the announcements the news that just came in. Give me 1 second. I'll take a look.
Nutty.
Hope
I'm
you
attacking
closed it, Birdie. Hope you closed it. That 37.40 was at like $4.
yeah, I am curious to see if we are gonna actually even drop lower.
I don't know. I think it's unlikely, but Powell
Yeah,
comes out,
I
opens
think
his mouth, and then we could go right back to where he started. And at the end of the day, it's just sideways.
Yep, and then those 381 spreads are nice. Although this spread is just wonky right now. Has to be expected.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
What's crazy, so I was watching this 38.75 puts, and this morning, well, even before the meeting, they were still like $35. So they went up $20 contract.
Jesus, Birdie's already up 100% on that fat fucking position. Nuts. You are an animal.
Well, SPY is at least climbing up right now.
Yeah, I mean, it's good. You can't just dump $10 and just stay there. Like, it's going to do something.
Yeah.
The problem is
It's
that
gotta-
it validates every technical analysis that you could have had.
There's no such thing as TA on this day.
Yeah, I agree. Like I was
The only
saying,
TA is your blood diamond.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me a blood diamond and I'm sure.
Where is the blood diamond?
Oh, it was there.
my like I was saying, my EMAs when that first happened, my EMA. Wait, hold on. If you guys can see my camera, this is what my EMAs look like.
All over the place.
Yep.
I mean, that candle sliced through all the
Here's where it gets interesting. So they didn't hike it, right? The 4 charts that I presented in the staff chat, all of them came with a rally after a hike, and we did not hike today. We stayed stagnant. So it's going to be interesting to see if we climb up back to even remotely in that little tight range we had at 385, 67-ish range, or are we going to stay down in the 382s, 380s range? That's going to be the real kicker.
Bull had a 39.25 call.
So did the SPX calls and puts? Did it just get slaughtered?
Oh yeah. Well, the puts actually did pretty good.
The
calls got slaughtered.
Banked.
Yeah.
Birdie, did you get out of your puts?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
All right, now.
Well done.
Everything got cut in half pretty much,
Wait,
I
you're
think.
calls now?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude!
Yeah, it's
Nuts.
good too. Which, I mean, he got smashed on his initial play unless he sold it.
Yeah, I sold him right when we got the indication.
But even still, that's not a big move.
They're not going to be saying anything important until 2:30. Well, no, sorry, not important, but they're not going to be saying anything.
Yeah, probably. But
Powell's definitely going to have to be very careful of what he says in this meeting today.
Yeah, very.
Especially now admitting that there's no pivot point.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, he's going to take the podium and say, "Screw you, bitches! I'm out of here."
Yeah, quit, bitch.
Was that Mr. Connections who just said that?
Yes, indeed.
I think we're tainting him. Holy cow, that was hilarious. That was hilarious. Screw you, bitches! I'm out.
Someone bought.
I mean, how hilarious would that be? He just takes the podium, does the double bird, and says what I just said, and then walks off. Like, what do you think? The market would probably collapse.
Dude, that would be the hardest.
Yeah.
That'd be the hardest I've laughed in probably my entire life.
It's crazy he would be arrested for that.
Can you imagine if Jay Powell
I
just
would
got
too
up
for
there?
my
and
500.
He got up there, moved his glasses up, and just went, "Fuck you, bitches! I'm out."
He'd say, "Fuck bitches, get money," and then he'd walk off the stage.
I can't handle this dementia-laden administration anymore.
That's interesting.
Oh,
So
geez.
there's a tweet here that said the flow showed SPY 400 strike calls for Friday. Someone purchased 20,000 of them at 91 cents. $1.82 million at the ass. Free FOMC.
Damn. Oops.
Just yikes to that.
Quant data is like alerting. Well, kind of alerting. It's alerting calls. I mean, I'm not even sure why a website would alert anything right now.
Hey, Birdie, what's your software telling you right now? If you are present. Also, whenever Birdie gets back, Perkins, you follow your you break your rules, dog. They break you.
So,
end of quote.
Dark Pool had. Sorry, go ahead, Dakota.
So I kind of went over this earlier, but about how I filter between 5 minutes, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and I was telling you about the oscillator summaries and moving averages. And on the 1 week now, the moving averages are in the middle, or they're officially at strong sell. The summary is sell. The oscillators are actually saying it's not a bad buy, which is flipped. Then on the 1 day, oscillators is neutral, moving averages is now at extreme sell. In 5 minutes, everything is strong buys. But the strong buys on the 5 minute doesn't really mean anything because we just dropped like fucking $4, you know. But I thought I'd kind of bring that up because that's interesting that the 1 week has now moved into a buy position.
That is intriguing for sure.
That's weird. Divergence.
Well, the volatility is about to pick up here in 16 minutes when Jay Powell starts telling everybody to go poop themselves.
I mean, it's already moved a good little bit here on SPX. But I think we could honestly see a fucking straight rocket ship back to where we started if they like what he has to say.
Yeah.
I mean, that is not off the table at all. I mean, a $7
It's
move.
not.
I bet you we don't go up. I bet you we go down further.
Last time, the FOMC meeting, this is exactly what happened. As soon as they at 2 o'clock, it dumped hard. And you were like, oh, shit, puts. And then he came out, started answering questions, and that shit went straight the fuck up all day. Till end of
Hey, Birdie, what's your software telling you right now? Are they giving you any signals?
Yeah, it did it again. Yeah, it's going stupid right now.
Are they on the buy side, I assume, or?
No. Right now I'm on the 3 minute playing it.
Okay, so there, I assume you're getting continuation to the downside signals then, if it's not buy signals.
It's both right now.
Oh,
give me a second. Okay, so I'm playing both sides. So
Look at SPY.
I didn't sell out fully of the 3760s. So I'm still holding my 200 of them. They're doing pretty fucking well right now.
Okay.
Holding these bitches out. My calls got fucking yeetified. SPY long terms, those are fucking going off right now. Those are at 40%.
Good shit.
Someone's
Trying
gonna
to take
Venmo me $1 if I call this right. We're going down further. Clayton's taking that bet with me, and I'll Venmo you $1 if it goes up. Wait, do you think we're going up? Do you really think Powell's going to rally this thing right back up?
The only thing that he can say that would be received well is if he stands by the fact that inflation is going to be much lower than it is currently by the end of 2022. That is it. Like that is the only.
Look, Biden's going to come out and he's going to be like, "Listen, there's no war, and it could be worse." That's what he's going to say.
Dude, oh my! Did you see the interview that Biden just recently had?
It could be worse. I know it's a little high, but it could be worse.
Yeah, dude, that was the only comment the whole time. I understand what you're saying, but it's stagnant, which means we're okay. If we're stagnant, you know, if it's a stagnant stock market crash, it's still a stock market crash. If we're at a stagnant all-time high in inflation, it's still a stagnant all-time high in inflation. I ain't gonna go down that path, Lauren. I want to. I do, and I also want to keep.
I just think it's hilarious that he even fucking said that shit, and people are like, "Okay," and like I said, no one cares. They're just like, "Yeah, well, he said shit. Don't listen to him."
I think Biden had one coherent sentence in that where he didn't stumble, and I think everybody was just like, "Hey, man, we have to take our victories where we can. We have to take our victories where we can. That's a good step. Good step."
Something very interesting, and correct me if this is not large enough size, and I don't know. But on the dark pool, it's something that's interesting. It hasn't had any size since 11, or any activity since 11. But at 1 and then 114 and 116, there is $220 million of buy orders. Would you say that is a large size, or is 220 million
That's a pretty good size.
Drop in the bucket?
No, that's pretty good size. What was the position for?
Two of them were for SPY, 384 and 383. It was for shares, 253,124 shares, and then 77,000 shares. And then QQQ for 206,990 shares, and well, that same order twice, duplicated. So interesting.
Yeah. So last FOMC day, we had a giant green candle on 2 hour at the end of the day, and then a slight sell off in the bell. But it went from SPX went from like 39.70 to 40.33, $50 move.
I don't know what's going to happen. We'll see.
The same thing right now.
Would love to see that. That would help me out, but if I get stopped, I'll just pay for my decision of opening a spread. Is what it is.
Yeah, it's true.
Griffin said, "No, we're only up an inch." And now. Oh, by the way, that was Central Time that those orders came in. So that was 201, 214, 216. I assume.
Yeah.
Y'all probably got that, but just to clarify. I think my keyboard and mouse is going to get here shortly, so.
Nice.
Dub.
I need SPY to keep dropping, but it's not.
asking for so much.
I'm at 4.65% right now.
4%?
You had your exit
5%.
ready.
Yeah,
You were playing puts. You had an exit. For sure.
I know.
That 37.40 is at 250. It peaked at $4.
Looks like they might drop again here. I don't know.
No, I mean you don't even look at it until 2:30, maybe 2:35. It's going to come down to the answers to the question. I'm telling you, you have a better chance of this going right back to where it started than going down.
Hey, Savage, I don't think you're crazy at all. I think that's a good risk reward because if we do what Lauren's saying and we do come back up, and the general populace receives what J-Pal has to say, well, oh, dude, we're good to go.
Yeah, for sure. MDBs.
We are good to go.
So I thought about buying them MDB contracts because the spreads on them are always so ridiculous. If it does, I mean, they don't expire today. Top of it, they're not expensive. But the bid-ask spread's always so crazy. Like you get a 220 call for 370, and if that thing hits, if we do get a run, that'll print 3x. Sure.
With IV and everything?
Yeah. Yeah. So it'll be in the money because the spread, those in the money contracts on a Wednesday are like $12, $13.
Understood.
It's only moved down $4. So that'd only be $2 out the money if it goes back up and regains this. Yep. And then look at SPY. It's only down 0.6% on the day. That's not much. It's a big red candle, but what it moved 1%. Is that what the overall is? It was up 0.6%.
No, it's more than that.
Was it?
Thought it was. That was what it's a $5 drop. Oh yeah.
No, it's not that much.
A little over 1%. Yeah.
Yeah. So it really hasn't moved much, if we're being honest, right? Like hasn't gone very far from open.
Yeah, a lot of volatility, but not too much price action.
Right. All that's happening now is the IV's just smashing contracts. That's what's happening.
Yep.
I think history is going to repeat itself.
Yeah, but which history? History from July 27th or 40 years ago?
We shall see. We shall see.
Everything's dinging at puts for me over here. This is ridiculous.
Can't agree with that right now.
Well, it's BABA puts, but I just got January 20th, 2023, January 20th, 2023, 260, 330, 335, 235, 290 puts, and 240 puts.
Who's ever arguing that it's going to go up? Did anyone check out those? Did anyone check out the last interest rate hike charts I sent?
Yep.
Yeah, those are after interest rate hikes. We didn't hike, so I don't think we're going. I mean, I know it's no fundamental values whatsoever, but I think it's interesting though.
When you say hike, and again, I think I asked this already, but you're referring to hey, we started at 50 basis points, but now we're at 75.
Yeah.
Okay. What is have we had? Is this our second or is this our third 75 basis point hike?
This will be our third one now.
Is it?
Yep.
Jeez. This contract goes from like minus 200 to 90. That's crazy. I mean, minus 90 still, but that is pretty crazy for a spread. I only have 5 contracts in the spread. So.
All right. Well, boys and girls, this is fun.
What are you in, Birdie calls still?
I am fucking finally out of everything.
Okay, smart.
Except my long positions that are short.
Yep.
My dated puts.
Long dated puts.
And my 388s.
Kellogg shares are trading higher in sympathy with General Mills. Okay.
They stole that company name from Lauren. I want them sued. Lauren, we're about to get you a $100 million settlement.
I like it.
We're going to Turks and Caicos.
Yeah. I'm about to kick fucking Weeble's ass.
What'd they do?
So I got another update, right, for this testing shit. And I physically, so I have to physically write down my, on SPX, my calls on SPX. And I put Soul Magic because they're there. But if I buy a call option, it labels it as a put. And I get lost. So I've requested them as, hey, you fucking really kind of need to fix this because your boy kind of gets confused seeing 3880s and fucking 3760s and fucking, you know.
Yeah.
But it literally labels it as a put.
It's weird.
I don't know why. I don't know why that's doing that. But it's just on SPX. Everything else says call or put, whatever one you want.
Oh, 3 minutes till he speaks. We're at 382.30. Looks like we're dropping. But candle looks don't mean shit on FOMC.
Nope.
I need to turn these alerts off. Can you guys hear how many times they ding?
Nope.
Okay. I didn't know if it was loud enough through the headset or not.
You are all good, homie.
It comes in like an order book. All the orders. Or call outs.
That's not cool.
I'd like to see VIX get above 28 again.
Dude, I would, Dakota, perfect world, onboard a large business, and then throw in the algo, and then VIX is at 40, market dumps, huge buy-in, market rips because of the rejection on 40. Hashtag 30% instant.
Hashtag big payday.
Hashtag everybody wins. Hashtag flip the VIX.
Oh my god.
Hashtag spy and VIX tag team.
He better be on time. I hate when they do this shit.
Hashtag runners.
But if he just came out and said, like, I just blew up my report.
That'd be impossible. Why couldn't? It's be impossible. I limit myself to a certain amount of money per day.
If he came out and just said, hey, this one's for Clay. I just loaded up on T-Triple-Q.
Why does it only have to be Clay? Why can't it be Rave?
Hey, Centurion Group, shout out to my boys over there. I just loaded up on T-Triple-Q now that we dropped the market. I'll see you at 180 a share.
Okay, I'm only down 8%.
Mr. Connections, you're going off today, my man.
At this rate, we're not going to Turks and Caicos. We're going to Chips and Cactus.
What is that? And I'm laughing.
For dinner. Cheese and cactus.
Cheese and crackers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that a southern way to say it?
Cheese and cactus. I think it's the Boston way.
Oh.
Keyboard and mouse, man.
Uh-oh.
What?
Buy, then unplug it, change it. It doesn't work. Can't sell. Fuck.
Ed, to answer your question, the only thing that's potentially bullish right now, unfortunately, and I'm fighting the trend here, the only thing that's bullish is the fact that inflation will be down quite significantly by deep.
There he is.
And we'll have all right, and we'll have midterms. So, all right, I'm streaming. Hold on, let me get
My
the stream
fingers are
up.
crossed.
The P-Man has arrived.
381.
My mouse is not working. Pause.
The tools we need and the resolve that it will take to restore price
Colleagues and I
stability.
are strongly committed to bringing inflation back down to our 2%
Price
goal.
stability is the responsibility
We
of
have
the
both the
Federal
tools we
Reserve
need.
and serves as the bedrock of our economy. Without price stability, the economy does not work for anyone. In particular, without price stability, we will not achieve a sustained period of strong labor market conditions that benefit all. Today, the FOMC raised its policy interest rate by 0.75 percentage point, and we anticipate that ongoing increases will be appropriate. We are moving our policy stance purposefully to a level that will be sufficiently restricted to return inflation to 2%. In addition, we are continuing the process of significantly reducing the size of our balance sheet. I will have more to say about today's monetary policy actions after briefly reviewing economic performance. The U.S. economy has slowed from the historically high growth rates of 2021, which reflected the reopening of the economy following the pandemic's recession. Recent indicators point to modest growth of spending and production. Growth in consumer spending has slowed from last year's rapid pace, in part reflecting lower real disposable income and tighter financial conditions. Activity in the housing sector has weakened significantly, in large part reflecting higher mortgage rates. Higher interest rates and slower output growth also appear to be weighing on business fixed investment, while weaker economic growth abroad is restraining exports. As shown in our summary of economic projections, since June, FOMC participants have marked down their projections for economic activity, with the median projection for real GDP growth standing at just 0.2% this year and 1.2% next year, well below the median estimate of the longer-run normal growth rate. Despite the slowdown in growth, the labor market has remained extremely tight, with the unemployment rate near a 50-year low, job vacancies near historical highs, and wage growth elevated. Job gains have been robust, with employee employment rising by an average of 378,000 jobs per month over the last 3 months. The labor market continues to be out of balance, with demand for workers substantially exceeding the supply of available workers. The labor force participation rate showed a welcome uptick in August, but has little changed since the beginning of the year. FOMC participants expect supply and demand conditions in the labor market to come into better balance over time, easing the upward pressure on wages and prices. The median projection in the SEP for the unemployment rate rises to 4.4% at the end of next year, a half percentage point higher than in the June projections. Over the next 3 years, the median unemployment rate runs above the median estimate of its longer-run normal. Inflation remains well above our 2% longer-run goal. Over the 12 months ending in July, total PCE prices rose 6.3%. Excluding the volatile food and energy categories, core PCE prices rose 4.6%. In August, the 12-month change in the consumer price index was 8.3%, and the change in core CPI was 6.3%. Price pressures remain evident across a broad range of goods and services. Although gasoline prices have turned down in recent months, they remain well above year-earlier levels, in part reflecting Russia's war against Ukraine, which has boosted prices for energy and food and has created additional upward pressure on inflation. The median projection in the SEP for total PCE inflation is 5.4% this year and falls to 2.8% next year, 2.3% in 2024, and 2% in 2025. Participants continue to see risks to inflation as weighted to the upside. Despite elevated inflation, longer-term inflation expectations appear to remain well anchored, as reflected in a broad range of surveys of households, businesses, and forecasters, as well as measures from financial markets. But that is not grounds for complacency. The longer the current bout of high inflation continues, the greater the chance that expectations of higher inflation will become entrenched. The Fed's monetary policy actions are guided by our mandate to promote maximum employment and stable prices for the American people. My colleagues and I are acutely aware that high inflation imposes significant hardship as it erodes purchasing power, especially for those least able to meet the higher costs of essentials, like food, housing, and transportation. We are highly attentive to the risks that high inflation poses to both sides of our mandate, and we are strongly committed to returning inflation to our 2% objective. At today's meeting, the committee raised the target range for the federal funds rate by 0.75 of a percentage point, bringing the target range to 3 to 3.25%. And we are continuing the process of significantly reducing the size of our balance sheet, which plays an important role in firming the stance of monetary policy. Over coming months, we will be looking for compelling evidence that inflation is moving down, consistent with inflation returning to 2%. We anticipate that ongoing increases in the target range for the federal funds rate will be appropriate. The pace of those increases will continue to depend on the incoming data and the evolving outlook for the economy. With today's action, we have raised interest rates by 3 percentage points this year. At some point, as the stance of monetary policy tightens further, it will become appropriate to slow the pace of increases while we assess how our cumulative policy adjustments are affecting the economy and inflation. We will continue to make our decisions meeting by meeting and communicate our thinking as clearly as possible. Restoring price stability will likely require maintaining a restrictive policy stance for some time. The historical record cautions strongly against prematurely loosening policy. As shown in the SEP, the median projection for the appropriate level of the federal funds rate is 4.4% at the end of this year, 1 percentage point higher than projected in June. The median projection rises to 4.6% at the end of next year and declines to 2.9% by the end of 2025, still above the median estimate of its longer run value. Of course, these projections do not represent a committee decision or plan, and no one knows with any certainty where the economy will be a year later. We are taking forceful and rapid steps to moderate demand so that it comes into better alignment with supply. Our overarching focus is using our tools to bring inflation back down to our 2% goal and to keep longer-term inflation expectations well anchored. Reducing inflation is likely to require a sustained period of below-trend growth, and there will very likely be some softening of labor market conditions. Restoring price stability is essential to set the stage for achieving maximum employment and stable prices over the longer run. We will keep at it until we're confident the job is done. To conclude, we understand that our actions affect communities, families, and businesses across the country. Everything we do is in service to our public mission. We at the Fed will do everything we can to achieve our maximum and price stability goals. Thank you, and I look forward to your questions.
Now, this is where we find out which way we going.
Ask your questions, people. Make them look good.
To give us a little detail around, when to slow down these rate increases and how you'll
I was
eventually.
going to ask if TQQ is a good investment.
What happened?
Directly, but I want to start here today by saying that my main message has not changed at
There's
all.
a bit of a feedback.
The FOMC is strongly resolved to bring.
I want them to take calls from the audience and Sergio Johansson, Blood Diamond!
You're lying!
He just yells Blood Diamond and hangs up.
Ain't the whole economy. TQQ gets delisted, SPY to 50.
I'll tell you this much. He almost made it back to where he started.
Hey, Mr. J. Powell, I just wanted to give you a call, let you know that we have identified a full blood diamond on the 15. All right, thank you, bye.
On the 1 year chart.
So the new keyboard is really small.
We love you. Love you.
Love you all, man.
As you know,
Oh, look at this uneventful move. IV's dropping though, 115.
Yeah.
We're at 384. I think my 381s are probably good. Probably, I say. He's still speaking. What are they actually at? I might just close them out. I'll hold on to them.
I mean, if you're anywhere green, I would probably get out of something.
But no,
Well,
my green.
If you're not
it's
green, I would also get out of it.
Just close it.
What is interesting though, normally we get a down and an up spike at 2. There was no up spike.
Do you guys want to hear the rest of the questions, or are you okay with me closing it?
And the extent to which
Oh, this is our CNBC guy. All right, I'll leave it for a few minutes.
Here, keep raising rates. Or can you envision a time when there's a pause to look at what has been wrought in the economy?
Oh, he asked about the pivot.
Thank you. Sure.
All right, there we go. Little up move right there. Said they're liking something he's talking about.
My credit spread just.
Yeah,
Oh
there's the moon boy. So now we're almost back to where you started.
There goes SPY.
But does it get over where you started?
Possibilities. I'm still holding these 39.40s though.
Yeah, I mean, what'd you pay for them?
385.
I mean, that's what Bull's in, but he didn't get that. He got a little bit better fill than that.
Oh, I just picked them up. I just picked them up on the buy single.
How you green?
SPY high of day.
Maybe. We need to break that before trend line, and then it will rocket.
Something funny. On Dark Pool, there was a $97 million sell order, and 2 minutes later, they bought back every single share.
But I mean, really, the problem is that you're in a race against implied volatility. You need it to rocket straight up for IB drop.
Oh, I am chilling. We are at 388.
There you go. Yeah, now you're good.
Yeah. Want to see something disgusting right now?
Yes.
I'll show you. Oh my god, we're still climbing. Jesus Christ.
Trying.
Just picked up some 396 calls.
Friday?
No, today.
Jesus Christ. Good luck. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, it could happen. You might get a move.
No, we got to see
All right,
what it does here.
just mind you, when I say this to you guys, it's not a put, it's a call. All right.
Understood.
But you all understand what I'm talking about here in a second when I post this. I'll put it in the main chat.
Earlier.
So we got a call real quick. Give me 2 seconds.
This new mouse is fire. I like it.
Oh, there's the big boom. There it went.
Yep.
Boom shakalaka.
Yep.
Damn.
Yes, sir.
Talk about down 200 to max credit. Wow.
Beautiful play.
That's the same
Close it
thing we
out.
saw last FOMC.
See higher, or do we see higher or no?
Yeah, it'll probably
Okay.
be straight up, honestly.
396.
I don't know about 396, but
If we break that level, then yeah, I mean, like maybe 394.
Oh, bro, if I can get these things to in the money, I sort of got to scream. Big Daddy.
the bid-ask spread is getting a little bit wonky.
Yeah, trying to catch up.
Yeah, it is.
Jesus Christ.
IV's dropped a good bit though.
Yeah, it has. That's what I'm fighting against right now.
Yep. So I'm saying I posted in the other stock chat that like if the market were to close right now, that 38.95 call would not be worth $19. Right? It'd be worth like $3. So you're really in a race against IV versus time versus direction.
Yes,
playing
sir.
just a fucking dangerous game.
Yeah. Okay. Because guess what? I took them bitches
Is that one
a little bit higher.
there? I mean, fucking smashed.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Back. Oh my
Y'all
god.
want to? Yeah, you should see these ones now.
I'm watching them.
No, I just sold out.
I'm just watching them. But likely it does go higher. Likely scenario.
Yeah, but these premiums need to calm themselves down before I fucking.
IV's at 95%. There goes the puts. A good put scalp. I mean, the premiums definitely dropped a good bit. We're down to $17 at the money from 30 earlier, so they've been cut in half for sure.
All right. Yeah, I sold my boys. Doing the last bit of math here.
All right, this is an entry if you want to scalp another call.
There you go. I got a
Credit spreads.
Did not get 7.
Are you playing 0-day credit spreads, Michael?
Yeah,
They let you do that on SPY?
381s.
Did I get it? I don't think so.
Yeah, so we kind of stopped the free fall right here. Book maps likely give up. Ooh, there's a lot of selling pressure up there. Damn, all right.
You're right.
Sorry about that phone call. My bad.
The median for the year end
Is
suggests
that going?
basis points and rate increases. But there's another fairly large group that saw 100 basis points addition to where we are today. So that would be 25
I was trying to get my covered calls filled for 29.5 at 33 cents, and I was also trying to pull the alert up. And I got that phone call, and I just completely disregarded it. Order didn't go out, didn't get filled. Now they're at 28 cents. Just lost 5 cents.
Bull's taking another entry here.
Hey, Dakota, that
Just
was
kind of scoot him.
Say again?
What's up, Clayton?
Dakota, let me here. Let me shoot you something real quick.
Will IV have premiums high on option contracts after close, like the 15 minutes after close?
No, see, because the inherent value of the contract, the IV is going to be irrelevant, right? Unless it's if it's a 0 day, let's say it's 390 and SPY closes at 390.25, it's still only worth the 25 cents times 100 contracts, regardless of what it is now. Like if let's say that contract was at like $2, right? As soon as it closes, it's going to instantly drop down to its inherent value.
Understood.
You know, so that's what I'm saying. You're racing time versus IV versus the option.
Everything.
Yeah, everything. It is a straight up losing battle if you hold anything to close. You will lose. Period.
So I realized I have to make an apology. I was saying when I was talking about going up, I was actually saying it backwards. Those charts were indicating that we were going to go up after the flush down. So I'm glad everyone who played it going up did well.
Well, that's right. You know, it actually went exactly right where I thought it would go, right back to where it started.
Yeah.
And now it determines which way it's really going to go. And at that point, buying something is now it's more real. Even the IV is still 97%, but you still have a better risk to reward ratio here than you do previous to that.
Yeah, I just picked up these 39.25s.
Yeah, I'm looking at those too. I don't know how much I
just
like
picked
that
them up.
still. The bid-ask spread's still pretty high.
I just market filled it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, Bull entered at 4.0.
Is that 4.0 on these ones?
Yeah.
Oh.
If we can get another pump up here, I'm going to run another leg of cover calls.
God damn it! Still,
I forgot we're still in those 30 or 29.5s. Okay, those are still up.
39.25 is what I got.
Okay, I'm going to put this in. I'm setting a sell order for calls for 35 cents on the 29.5s for next Friday. I'm going to see if I can get filled for 35 cents. I just want to put the order in so I can see if I can get filled. I'm going to leave it there until I get filled. I'm going to put that in the alerts real quick. Give me 1 second, guys.
Oh, look at that. Oh, let's go look at that MDB call I was talking about. I said it was like 220 is now $6. So yeah, that was went up a good bit. Could have bought it for like 3 or 280 or something. Would have been a much safer trade. Honestly, anything outside of a 0 day right now is probably the safest way to go. Risk to reward ratio. What's Apple doing? I haven't looked at that shit. Straight up. Or a SPY in the money contract, maybe. Much of them suckers. So those aren't bad. 386.
Yeah.
For $3. Get a good pump and it goes up to $67 with lower risk.
The $100 per right there.
Yeah. Did you get $100 out of yours?
Oh, that's $440 per. I mean, $440 what I got them for.
Guys, the cover calls that I just shot out on that note chat for my alerts, that is going to get filled right around $26 a share. So if we pop back up and break that 25.92 on TQQ, then I'll get filled for those. I'm just setting in those limit orders right now.
All right. Well.
And we might not get back up there, so I may not get filled.
Smash.
Smash. You're right. Smash down.
Hey, Michael, you still here?
Yes, sir.
Bull flag.
Let me look.
Spy is forming a bull flag? What?
Yup.
Looks like it's just bleeding out.
Or a bullish pennant, one of the two.
On what time frame?
I'm looking at 1 minute.
Oh my goodness.
Look.
No. In the 1 minute, bro, that moves like 30 cents.
I show you.
Show me it on the 5.
Damn it. All right, hold on 1 second.
I'm not interested in the 1. I need the 5.
The 5 minute looks like it's a bull flag. He's right.
I know. I mean, if a fucking retard made it, yeah, sure.
All right, first of all, that's disrespectful. Okay, second of all, I'm making it.
Second of all, your boy is living dreams.
That is an ugly ass. I'm not. Okay, it looked like a bull flag. I'm just. The lines are a little ugly.
Are they?
Yeah, I mean, it could be a 5-minute bull flag, dude.
Like I said, if fucking like Helen Keller decided to draw, that'd be it.
Yeah, well, you're about to see her drawing firsthand.
Yeah. Go ahead, dude. I'm filling these calls that are getting absolute.
Damn, Birdie.
Hey,
They're
guys,
getting murdered.
This is the real reason why Clayton doesn't do TA.
No, why? Why don't you do it? Tell me why.
Looking at Centurion Lounge.
Oh my god.
I know draw lines well.
Yeah. Okay. But guess what? Fundamentals. That's what it all comes down to.
Well, I'll tell you right now, TA didn't cause the volatility we just had.
Bro, I swear to God. Drawback. That we're gonna take a step back real quick. I fucking that day that they got on your ass about fucking fundamentals and first TA, bro. I was like sitting here like about to be like, dude, y'all like Austin and Logan, y'all need to shut the fuck up. Alright. Because Glenn's gonna blow you out the fucking water. Just facts. I mean, it's just
Nice, Michael. Is in here?
Hey, sir.
Yes.
Oh, what did you get, Michael?
Just the credit spread. It's only 5 contracts too, so.
Yeah.
I just didn't want to risk like $2,000 on a coin flip.
Yeah.
I mean, I could manage my risk, but.
Okay.
Hey, Dakota, are you here?
Thanks, Marty. It is okay.
Now listen, I will be honest with you, even if that's something disgusting, alright? I just blew a lot on those fucking calls that I had for the fucking spread.
Mm-hmm.
Those things got fucking nuked.
Yeah, and I was probably the one selling you those calls. Sorry, Clayton. Go ahead.
I'm waiting.
That applies to anything for undercat as well if you need them. The message I sent you.
Yeah.
So he's ready to go. I'm gonna get he's sending me everything for the Centurion. So are we breaking out? Are we breaking out of it? Lord?
Ruh-roh.
And I'm about to get a phone call that I've got to chat for about 30 minutes with, and then I'll be back if you guys are still here. I have those sell orders in for 35 cents for the 29.5 for TQQ for next Friday. So if we get filled, we get filled.
29.5, so I'm sorry.
If I get filled, yeah, 29.5 next Friday. I'm trying to get filled for 35 cents.
Understood. Oh, they're at 35 cents. Oh, they're at 30 cents. Okay.
And we get to 26 and it'll get filled.
Well, this wonderful fucking bullish flag right now. This is great.
Mm.
Loving the fact that I'm just happy that my contracts aren't absolutely worthless.
I mean, they're about to be. The IV keeps
Oh,
dropping
you
like
can
it
suck
does.
my fucking left nut. I will fucking average this down.
He will make the green go red. He will make
I'll
the
make
green go red. Or green. Sorry, green. Sorry.
Very nice.
Good sir.
What?
Ben's in here. What's up, Beast? I don't know if he's actually here, but howdy howdy.
It's Ben Chang.
I thought you meant the other Ben. I'm sorry.
Ben, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
How are you, brother?
Pretty good.
Awesome.
I missed this move. Kind of sad, but it's all right.
It's all right. It's all right.
It doesn't matter. Not much of a move.
It's all good, my good sir. I didn't do shit. I'm just waiting to get filled for covers.
Come on, Spy.
I'm
Break
getting out of
through.
here.
Oh, see you, Dakota. Take care, Beast.
Yeah, man. I got coaching tonight. So.
No worries. No worries.
You think this bull flag is gonna be invalidated?
It's looking sketchy right now. We'll see.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks pretty fucking sketchy to me, mate.
It's elongating right now. It's still in it.
Okay. Because guess what?
What?
My
I'm
39.25s. No, my 39.25s are getting absolutely nuked.
I mean, IV's just dropped
Overflow.
25%. 10 minutes.
I love this game. This is wonderful.
Phone call should be coming in momentarily, so I've got to hold on. Awesome. Okay.
Yes.
Where are my... I always know how to find stuff until I need to find it. Oh, there we go.
Might be your break out of your bull flag.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, no.
I'm at 400 contracts again, so we'll figure the fuck out here soon.
I didn't hear 400. I didn't hear.
Well, I averaged down, so. No, we're green. We're green.
Yeah, you're red.
That's awesome.
Now we're red. Now we're really red.
Yeah, look at that. 180. Oh, wow.
Yeah. My average is 255 now. Hmm. Right now, Weeble's trying to send me another update right now to fix my screen.
Got it.
And
cut it. Cut it.
No,
Birdie.
fuck you.
Cut it.
No.
Cut it.
No.
Bro, it's not. What are you doing? Cut it.
What am I doing? No.
You're crazy.
I'm holding these sons of bitches. What the
Why?
fuck you mean?
You're getting
Why?
smashed because you're getting smashed by IV and
Yeah.
and the fact that it's not going anywhere.
And the fact that I have a buy signal right now.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
I will average this down.
Do it because it's losing money.
I see.
This is what you told me like 2 weeks ago. Just sell it. Just get out. I was like, okay, and then I got out. Then I left like thousands of dollars on the table. That's not how this is going to end for you. Or any of you. Not going to end the same.
No. You know what I am going to do? I'm going to hold these sons of bitches, and then I'm going to scream my fucking head off when it doesn't go my way. Duh.
With you, Birdie. I'm holding some 396s.
Yeah, you did buy them, didn't you? Crazy bastard.
I did. They're worthless.
Oh, these things.
Damn.
I did. They ain't worth shit. All right, Birdie's right there with you.
Gosh.
Oh, get out.
Bye.
Oh, I'm going to hold them until they're worthless. Okay. 77.
I'll average down.
Sergio Hansen.
I'll average down.
Are you still in thinking 396 by the end of the day?
Oh, for sure. I'm with Birdie's buy signal.
I have a buy. All right. I have a buy.
See? I do too.
All right. Now, you're right, dude. These things are getting absolutely fucking destroyed. But now my average is now 172. So bite me.
Oh my God, you have more than 400. Oh my God, what are you doing? Oh my God, Birdie. Oh, it hurts me to even think about that. Bro, I need like $1,400, okay? Just sell it and give me $1,400. I'm gonna save you thousands of dollars. Close it right.
No.
Oh
no.
my God.
All right, 172 is my fucking stand. All right, 172 is
Oh my God.
Now,
I don't, dude, there's very little chance it goes to $1.72. You know
is
that.
there?
Yes.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Look at the math, okay? You need it to move $10 up and the IV to stay where it's at for you to get green, okay?
Phone call. Right back, guys.
The IV is dropping rapidly.
Okay.
And so is SBX. Oh my God.
I'm out.
Take a look at this. Dude. Oh my God. Puts.
Still above 381. I think I'm good.
All right. If you check your option chain right now, you'll probably see a huge buy right now.
Wait, yeah. Let me look at. Okay.
Maybe. Let's see if fucking it goes through. Jesus Christ.
What are you selling?
I just sold my fucking position, but now I'm gonna fucking buy puts.
If there was ever a day where you were gonna blow your nuts off on a trade, that was the trade.
Oh wait, I have it to where it's over. It has to be over 500,000. Oh shit.
Over 500,000.
Was that you?
God, look at it go.
Did you
I
just?
didn't sell. I sold my fucking contracts. I didn't sell my position.
Okay, so $1 million order that just went through.
No, this
Don't
was
recognize that.
157. This was
Holy
100K,
shit.
115K.
Yeah, it won't show up for me. I have it set too high.
All right, I just made my money.
Sorry.
Look at that. No puts. All right. Sick.
Damn. Should I have
All right.
closed that credit spread? I don't know. I
This
feel
is
like
fucking
it's
stupid.
still.
Your boy's getting fucking.
Wow. I'm gonna get handed too. Shit. I just not look at it. Hope it goes up.
Well, it's going to give me my hedge, so that's a good thing. Hey. Yeah, I picked up some SPXU to hedge my TQQ shares, and it looks like I'm going to actually get out there on a gain. Pretty excited about that one.
Yeah.
I tried running covered calls on that, but the spreads are like $10.
Oh God.
What? What's the problem?
Oh God.
Oh, what the problem is? Was what's happening right now.
It's
Oh, am
touching
I
the
looking at
bullish
the wrong
reversal
chart?
zone. That
'Cause,
candle went bearish straight to bullish reversal zone on SPX.
Yeah, I know. I just watched it. Yeah, boy, just fucking. Oh my God. Oh.
Hold on.
Nice buyback.
Gotta have more to sell.
I hope I don't get fucked on this credit spread.
Let's play. What are we doing?
Right now I have a credit spread saying it will close above 381.
Screaming right now.
Like that.
Just banged out this fucking stupid play.
Me too. I just got filled for $1 on 2 contracts.
Y'all want to see this stupid fucking play?
Sure.
Of course.
Sorry, I'm trying to get everything settled for me. Okay, I'm handled. Momentarily.
Momentarily as I fucking post this.
I do not want to watch Spy just fucking react right here.
I don't know. We don't know what it's going to do. It bounce off that reversal zone and go straight back up to where it started. Again. Unfortunately, I think
It's not going to 396.
No, no, it is not. Folded
We didn't break 388.
Folded a 39.10 call at 390. When did he buy that? 308? Oh, that's awful.
So without breaking 388, 374 by end of week.
Yeah.
If we close below, yeah, it's not looking good.
If we can close below 380, then yeah, then we really start to sell off. I thought we were done for when we broke yesterday's low, or maybe that was that was yesterday's low. I really thought we could have been done for.
All right, let's SPY. Let's see. Hold on, I want to see my exact number.
Seriously, just traded sideways and dropped, came back up, and then it's gonna just trade sideways again.
Yeah, dude. Look at that. I mean, it bounced right off of it wicked the reversal zone. Now it's back above the bearish reversal zone. So crazy. The chart looks, it's painful to even look at.
Couple big orders going through right now. 14 million, 7 million, 18 million.
You looking at book maps?
No, this is order flow with quant data.
It's going to bounce up and get rejected again. Bookmap has a harsh sell at 39.20 on minis.
49.20.
Yeah, which
See
is
if
at
I
38.92, so 15. That's a $30 move. It's a harsh line there.
Yeah,
there's 1,300 buyers.
What about what's the Q's doing? Hold on, let's see. Yep. See, reality is that the Q's don't have as much to fall before hitting that annual containment level. Like 283.72, and that's we may very well drop on the Q's. So same thing with SPY though. I mean, shoot, that's just 8 points away too to 374. 9, 10, 11, close enough. Yeah. Down.
I'm trying to see when I should jump out of this credit spread or if I should just let it expire. Probably just let it expire.
A lot of weakness showing here. Not to push higher.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
This is just wonderful.
Trying to debate my
Let
credit
down,
spread right
let
now.
down, let down there, man. Let down.
For real?
What? You're lying.
Yeah, flashing on the 15. Hold on.
On what stock?
Give me a second.
Shit, I'm
SPY.
selling this fucking.
Give me a
Get
second.
me out of the spread.
I'm pulling it up.
This IV is still fucking absolutely fucking crazy.
All right, so it flashed. All right, so I'm letting y'all know it flashed. It's not currently there, but it flashed. Oh, it is there now. So I'm telling y'all. All right, you got 10 minutes till candle close. There is a blood diamond on the 15-minute. I am about to enter puts. There you go.
Great.
Which puts are you getting into? For today, or are you going to go for Friday?
No, not today. No, not today. Not today. I'm going for buy today. I'm going for Fridays.
Damn.
380s. I am entering now. I'm in at 243.
All I can say is I hope we just stay above 381. But I probably should have closed my position when it was up 94%.
I'm out. I just scalped a 38.30 from 2.5 to 3.8.
There you go.
I
Nice.
left it. I'm gonna wait. I still got some buying power for another one.
We're still doing great on the day, but
The IV
giving
is
back
still
a couple
high.
hundred. Yeah.
8%.
Nice. I don't know how I feel about this new keyboard. I need like something under it to raise it. So
All right. So I bought these wonderful fucking puts right now. I bought the 3840s at 430. Right now it's 750.
damn, so I'm the only one long.
I got sell signals going through. And what sucks is I can't really trust them because they all say gold sells, but obviously they're saving gold sell because everything is selling the fuck off.
Yeah, just kind of waiting. I mean, I guess I don't want to give back too much. So, we'll see.
I love FOMC days.
If you're on the right side, of course.
I mean, you just gotta be smart.
Yeah, I mean, like, it was fairly easy. I waited for the drop, watched it, entered a spread, and it flipped way in my direction.
Yeah, see? But I mean, this is not like, how many times have we gone through this process now?
The bid-ask spread gets crazy with this IV being so high close to the end of the day.
That is facts, though.
Yeah.
That is totally facts.
270 to 330, a $50 spread. That's insane. And then they level out for a second.
Stepping away, pray the market doesn't crash, or it'll be fun.
I think there's a good chance that we do see a capitulation down here. I mean, maybe not back to 382, 381 level.
Six minutes until the 15 closes.
I come back and I was like, oh, nice. And now I get to watch the market drop in real time. I don't have to come back.
I get to watch myself bleed dry in real time.
Right. We're $3 away from giving back about $200. We're still up, so just need to close in this.
Kick the contracts up.
Yeah, I mean, if we just close in this general facility, I'll get max credit. But if we drop lower, then it's going to be an annoying, stressful.
Thing is, we don't really have a level that it needs to particularly break.
No, but I'm so close to taking these still. 10.
What did you buy?
I told you, the 3840s. 40.
No, that's not good.
Yeah, I bought the 3840s at 430. Now they're at 685. Fuck.
Okay.
I said 735. Oh, there we go. 835. There we go.
Yeah, that's a nice move.
Jesus Christ, Alan's moving.
Have to stay above the volatility. Have to.
Yeah, man, we're dropping lower. We got 30 minutes till close.
Not yet, we're not driving low.
Oh shoot, you're right. I'm barely noticing that.
Oh, there we go. 9:20. Damn it.
Never questioned these 381s more in my entire life.
Ah.
I think I'll give it maybe another $50, but I'm just gonna take the money and run.
Damn, I was.
I got a blood diamond flashing on the queues now. About to confirm on the 15-minute spy.
Yeah, see, like that's some stupid shit. I'm not trying to get.
I only have 50 of these hoes, though. God damn.
Oh my goodness. I don't know that I've ever seen. I'm gonna be rich.
Wow, look at Spy. Blood Diamond is amazing.
Yeah, I should have held mine. I'm at 850. Fuck, I almost would have had a boom there, birdie.
I'm up 22% right now on mine.
I'm trying to get.
I'm
above
up 30.
There's 14. There we go. I'm above my. I'm 1,000 up.
Damn, so this is not gonna get caught.
This was a banger. This was a banger, right?
Did it close the call?
Oh yeah. Yeah, you're welcome.
Or the call spread.
35%er right now.
You're at 35. I'm at 268.
260. Yeah, well. When's your expiration today?
Yeah.
Oh no, I went Friday. That'll do it.
I'm just dealing with this fucking IV right now. 1580.
Maybe we can catch something here and just close at 383. Come to an agreement. Everybody happy with that?
Yeah, maybe. But I'll take this fucking position right now. That's for damn sure.
Damn, that sucks. I definitely accidentally gave back a little too much. Now
Just for you. Just for you. I got out.
Thank you, Ray. I'm glad I have some support. Rave is my demand. Sold his position out of market.
Well, I did lose this morning on Tesla. So
Dude,
I'm glad I was able to recover the majority of it.
this is some horse shit. That's what this is.
Ooh, these contracts are moving around right here, buddy. Good lord.
I sold out.
I'm about to set
Thank
a
you
stop
so
as
much
soon
for
as
that
it
blood
bounces
diamond.
higher. You're welcome. Oh, okay. Let's see if I get stopped out here.
My 3880.
I'm still going.
Still not moving.
40%. Holy crap.
Sergio Hansen, we cannot go to 380.
If I get in the
Sergio
middle-
Hansen, I don't see us going to 396.
Oh, not today, sir. Not today.
You said by the end of the day.
No, I said if we make it past 288, then 396.
Sergio Hansen, we made it past that.
Oh, did we? We made it past
Yeah, we almost made
In
389.
two candles. In 2 candles on the 1 minute. We went in.
Said confidently, though.
Yeah. Thank you, Bertie. You did hear me say that, didn't you?
Hey, listen. And being on the 1 minute, it's not really confident. Mr. Clayton, Rave, anybody trades on the 1 minute.
Oh my
I should. 1 minute's good for scalping. Wow, look at that.
Someone remind me next time to close my position when I'm up 94%.
My position is
45%.
It would have been 43% for me right now.
I'm getting tired of upping my stop loss here.
Good.
Oh shit, I let it go red too.
Hold that shit.
I'm net. Whoa, shit.
I'm trying to. Oh, can I get 20?
Damn.
That moment when you first get a good
20. Bam. Nice.
Wow.
Wow.
I guess I stop out.
55%.
That sucks.
This is thick.
I'm putting my stop in at 440.
Oh, I stopped out.
I
Oh,
got stopped out too.
I'm out.
Damn. All right.
I'll take it.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it. That's all I had for the day. Up 225.
Oh,
could have been better,
man.
but could have been worse.
So
Well, at least you didn't let a
you're thinking
$500
puts tomorrow?
position go down.
No, but I would have made my $1,500 if I held the other one. 38.30. It's in the money. Damn, I got stopped out.
243 to 362.
Let's do a spy put.
That was my run.
I got $60.
Huh?
Let's do a spy put for today. What can we get?
So
There
what's
we go. 379.
362. 243. $119.
Nope, can't fill that. Oh, I did fill it. Okay.
119.
I got fucked.
Divided by.
Well, I'm glad you guys got calls. Or puts.
That was a 50% play.
I still have that spy put pulled up, and it's like right now it's 63%. All of a sudden 375.
Hmm?
It's for Friday, and right now it's up 62%, 60%. It's crazy. And we're about to literally reach low of day.
We did. We broke it.
No, not on spy.
Oh.
Hey, Birdie, you there?
Yeah.
20 cents left.
Like, you got out quick. Like, you out of there. You out
What do you
before me.
I have two.
Well, I mean,
Two left.
Let's talk. Oh, you still in it?
Yeah, I just sold out all of my positions except for two. There's runners.
Okay, all right. Then that's what I wanted to know. I just wanted to know your thought processes because you.
I was not about to lose that fucking gain off another fucking dead count bounce. Not happening.
I see. Okay, so you said, all right, I'm taking a majority off, just leaving a little bit. And that's basically what you left a little profit on the table to see if you could get a little more profit, basically.
Yeah. Now they're at 20.55.
Okay.
So I sold at what did I sell most of them at? God damn it. Sorry. I have like 6 other things going on right now.
So, I mean,
I sold at 14.65. And then I sold. Well, I'm still holding these bitches, so I guess I didn't really sell them yet.
Let's hope this isn't a dead cat bounce.
I did sell them. Whoops.
That's a
Sorry.
380
Now they're
bounce,
done. They sold at 20.
380
Hit my
is pretty
stop.
strong support. That's where I would have stopped out if I held the other one.
Yeah, but we're just 60 cents away from 381.
Sir Johansson, when you say a blood diamond, does that mean it goes up one way and then down 3 ways, or is it just?
No, it's a little indicator that pops up on a screen. It looks like.
Oh.
It's not like a technical that you could see on our chart.
so it's basically, I think it's a culmination of like, I don't know, 8 or 10 oscillators that are going on. And basically, when many of those oscillators put up a bearish signal, that's basically what gives me my blood diamond.
You know, we were halfway into that gap.
So my hedge port was up 1,000, down 2,000, and now it's even.
Yeah, I'm up now 50. That's nice. I guess that can change too quickly, but better.
All right, everybody, welcome to Market Recap. I'll be your host today.
So today we did see a blood diamond.
And it was an absolute banger.
It was a banger.
The ultimate banger.
Yeah, it might crush 381. Damn it.
I'm gonna go join.
How'd you like the Big Short?
Hold on. Give me a second. See what they're talking about.
It was good. Sorry, I'm focused on this.
No, go for it. No, don't worry about me.
Well,
The
there's
ticket
not
master
much focus. It's
305
just
came in.
stress.
Hey, does anybody know the Ticketmaster?
I don't know that.
Well, they just joined 6 minutes ago. Like literally made the account 6 minutes ago. Are we getting trolls already?
More than likely.
Yeah. Damn. That's gonna. Well, that's a lesson learned, I guess. When you're up like that, just close it out.
Don't you have rules about that? Your credit spreads or no?
No, not take profits on credit spreads or anything like that.
Now you do.
Yeah, I mean, I was up 94%. That's a pretty obvious closeout. I just was ignorant. I don't even know what I was. We were at 387 though, so I figured we might hold, but nope.
379 puts looking to come back to life here at 52 cents. Page 64 for it. Let's go. Testing 380.30. Low a day, almost.
Maybe if we do make a higher low here, we can curl up to like 382s and all.
Michael, why did you not close that shit on the bounces, man?
I know.
Ah, you're breaking my heart. You and Birdie over there breaking my heart. At least Birdie revenge traded, I guess, but I don't want to know what the dollar amount was.
Well, that's crazy. I cannot believe I let that happen.
Hey, I'm green. Was it green?
Wow, that's up 70%.
Yeah, this shit's dead.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Baby. Capitulation. Oh, why did I sell so early on those SPX? $20. That was the fucking trade I needed.
$408. 86%. It's gonna hit 90. It's gonna hit 100. Watch. It's gonna fill this gap.
I don't know, but I'm about to take my $25 off of this play right here and walk away, I think. Happy with that. Playing it safe. My $22, I guess.
These contracts are about to be in the money. Wow. I had 375 puts for Friday.
Bookmaps looks like it could hold us alive, but $1.50 move. And we're still
95,
dropping.
96.
Oh wow, we're at 90, 97. Okay, okay. I see you. See you, Spy. Making me another $30. I should just take us 50% on those. That shit running, right? Yeah. Oh, that's $25. Yeah.
Wow.
I'm out. I'll take it. That was a nice 250 day for me.
Good job on your trades today, guys.
Yeah, look at that. It just got smoked. Not really north there. That was a pretty good exit for me there. I would say that. Because fuck. So, yeah, that was my trade, man. Damn.
Well done, well done. It looks like it's just gonna give this all back.
Yep. Wow, look at her go. Well, that's a shame. Bull. Oh man.
It almost has to fill the gap. It's almost there.
What gap are you looking at?
This is from shoots. I gotta go back.
The daily on SPY?
Yeah, this has to be like.
Oh, you're talking about
July.
the 7. Yeah.
July.
Like 378.
370, 49, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, if we break lower, I think I'm gonna bounce out for the day.
If we break lower, there's another gap at 368. Between 368 and 371.
Well, lesson learned. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Oh, okay. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that.
See you, Clayton. I'm leaving.
Missed everything.
Michael, like, that's it. Now he's back. I'm leaving.
No, I was saying goodbye, but have a good one, guys.
Oh, we were done.
Bro, I'm gonna. Oh my god, I hate myself right now. Oh,
Wow.
That was the play.
Looks like-
$5 to $28.
It looks like all of my covered puts are going to get filled.
You didn't catch it. You were completely awake, Clayton?
I was on a phone call that required 100% of my attention.
Okay. So let's recap for you.
Okay.
It looks like we touched it. We touched it.
Sir Johansson, I just pulled up my charts. Recap over.
On the 215. Okay. So at approximately 205, I had a blood diamond signal on the 15-minute.
Okay.
I came in here. I announced it. I said it's there. It hasn't closed, but it's appearing. Blinked off and on a few times, then stayed on. At 210, I entered a 380 put based upon that blood diamond. Birdie did his due diligence of he had sell signals as well. 215 candle close with the blood diamond. And I bought a 380 put, and I ran for a Friday expiration, ran for 50%. And Birdie did well as well. So the blood diamond paid off.
Excellent. Excellent. That's awesome.
My contract, let's see, watch. Mine went from I mean, it was like flawless. Like it showed on my screen. I mean, I came in here.
It was
243 to 362. So that was my contract price.
That is awesome. That is all. What, Jesus.
Yeah, no, Clayton. He said blood diamond. I bought a put, a 38.30 at 255. It spiked. I put a stop in, and because the bid ask is so ridiculous, it stopped me out. That bitch is at $28. Up $29. It's about to be $3,000. Yep, $30. Look at that shit per contract.
Blood diamond on the 50-minute.
Wow.
Blood on 50.
I would have solved a lot of problems if I'd held that. I say this a lot, but also it's smoked plenty of times holding.
Correct. Yeah, Lauren, we've been smoked so many times. I mean, it's like, I'm looking at it right now, 378. Boy, I'd be deep in the money right now. But
yeah, me too.
You know, hindsight. You know, come on, man. How many times have we been burned?
Every time.
Every time.
You honestly know why I set my stop when I did, because the IV is so high. I mean, at the time of day that we called that out, it's a rat race. Unless it did exactly what it did here, it was a complete fucking losing trade. Like, we needed it to just capitulate, or it would have been worthless, because it was still like $30 out the money when I bought it, or no, maybe it was like $20 out the money. And I just knew, I was like, well, this is it. You know, if we don't capitulate, then it's fucking worthless. So I put my stop in, and it was like 20, 30 cents below where it was at, but the bid ask was so ridiculous that it got filled. You know, if I'd have moved it down a little bit, it probably wouldn't have wicked it, and I would just would have let it run, but it's always another day. I actually read from the DGen over there at in the other Discord.
Look at Rave. Hey, Rave, go ahead, Rave.
Oh, Rave do.
Oh,
He
you're
played
so
it too.
welcome.
Look at
You're
you.
so
Bob.
welcome.
I didn't know you played it.
Where is
I
it?
was
Oh,
playing. I
man.
just told you. I've been telling you.
Well, I didn't.
I'm not even out of it. I'm not even out of it just yet.
Oh, damn.
I'm still 115, 125.
4 contracts, average cost $1.20, $2.59. Oh, sweet.
I didn't want to. I was down because of my play from this morning on Tesla, and I just wanted. That's not him. I just didn't want to hurt his feelings when I was trying to get out.
Yo, make my heart feel good, man. Y'all make my heart feel good.
I was like, I saw like, okay, let me get into this one because, yeah, I wanted to get into it.
Welcome. Glad you did. Happy
Thank
for
you.
you. Very happy.
Thank you.
Yep. Very happy for you.
I'm right now watching. I'm just, yeah, I'm like, right now it's 115%, and we already filled that gap, the one I told you about right now.
Right.
So either it's going to keep going down or it's going to reject and go back up, and at which I'll sell.
It's amazing how a day can change on a dime.
Yeah.
Well, honestly.
Yeah, I was down $100 and something from Tesla.
Well, when you look at what I was saying, you know, it dumped, and then I was like, we'll probably climb back up to where we started, and then we make a decision. The decision was fuck you. That's what it was. you know, and it just sold off. This is exactly what the last FOMC meeting. You go back and look at the 2-hour chart. It looks.
All right,
well, not quite.
I'm officially out. 95.
Holy cow!
Good job, Ray.
95%. Thank you. Thank
Good
you.
job, Ray. Good job, man.
Oh gosh.
Hey, Birdie, you there? No.
So next up, 396.
Oh, we broke support. Hey, yo.
No, we filled that gap. That's what it was. Has to be.
I had like a long-term small demand zone that was just drawn out from like a few weeks ago. We bounced off it a couple times and we finally busted through it.
What's up, Sawyer?
How much? How's your day going, brother?
Just had one of the best consulting phone calls I've ever had in my entire life. Best business phone calls I've ever had in my entire life.
That's badass. Glad to hear it.
Good for you, man.
Hey,
Good
Clint,
for
do
you,
you
buddy.
have? Oh.
That was. And then it's slightly tweaked for those who are going to be under the algorithmic firm. But this is for management under. This is for management under my Centurion Growth Consulting Company, active management under my company.
Yeah.
I'll take one.
I'll take it.
Yep. Beautiful. Got it.
It was,
Okay.
yeah, $228 is how much I made today.
Well done. That's awesome.
Well, I mean, shoot. So, yeah, just a Tesla. I should have just waited until the end of the day or towards FOMC.
Okay, my drive.
Have calls are paying?
Yeah. They're probably worthless now.
Mine are
Sorry.
It's all good.
let's see what mine are at. I got mine at 0.31 and they're at 0.1, so that's pretty good.
Okay, Brave, here you go.
Okay, is that the same one from a while ago?
Yeah, it's just slightly refined. I'm going to send it to you too.
Okay, cool.
Sergio Hansen, here you go. And it's got the new email in there. So everybody's got it. Okay, so it's Rave, Mr. Connections, Sergio Hansen, Perkins. Well done, Base. I just saw your message. Good shit. Excellent.
They get email as well.
Ben, absolutely. Sending it to you now. Ben, I'm going to add you as a Discord friend as well, just because you and I have not chatted DM wise.
Okay.
But since you're on the server, I can send this to you. Should be no problem. Okay, that's the deliverable. I just sent it to you. And guys, this is a PDF. There's nothing wrong with the documents or anything, obviously. All right. Okay, so Ben, Sergio Hansen, Sawyer, go.
I missed that. What are you guys doing?
Lucifer, I'm just sending out the deliverable that shows all of the backtesting data and what it is that I do in the stock market for businesses that I'd be managing assets for, and I'm just sending it to the folks who have either contacts or personal interest.
Oh, gotcha. I thought it was something for the group.
Well, it is. It's for everybody. Anybody who wants it. I'll just so you have an example of what it is. I'll send it to you.
Oh, we're cool.
It is for anybody in the group. Yes, it is for anybody and all people, all folks. So, Bubba got in here. Bubba. Oof, Perkins, that don't look good.
Hey, do you know the Ticketmaster, Clayton?
The Ticketmaster. No, that does not sound familiar.
Yeah, he's new, and it says that he just joined Discord 25 minutes ago. Like the actual account.
You mean joined Centurion?
No, Discord.
Not sure who that is, my good sir.
Okay.
Not sure who that is. Okay. And if you guys are taking a look at the deliverable, y'all let me know what you think.
Wow, 2 minutes until close.
Yeah, let me see what these colors are at. Oh, I closed my thinkorswims. Book it.
Those same puts are actually 127 right now. That's insane. Sergio Henson.
You're right.
That would have been crazy if you would have called it at the very top. My contracts were worth 65 cents. And now they're worth 284.
Awesome.
All right, look at that. 14 seconds.
Good looking, like.
Wow, look at that. That's insane. These contracts went for 147%.
Jeez.
Great play, Sergio Hansen. Great play.
A Blood Diamond King.
You know what's even better?
That's a Blood Diamond King for sure.
About to buy 100 shares of TQQ.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
I gotta get next to my mic. Yeah.
23.15. I'll take it at anything under 23.20. Yeah, I've done.
Do you have any kind of size? Or go ahead.
I was just gonna say I'll take anything close to 20 any day. Any day.
Average now is 25.19.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Jesus, bro, I'm $6 above you. That is unbelievable. Well done.
It hurts.
It hurts.
Well, I mean, it's at a loss right now. It's unrealized, but you know.
Okay. So if you want to consider risk reward though, you've got $2 or $3 until we get back to previous lows, but you've got a $120 potential upside the next 12 months.
Oh yeah, no, I'm
No, I'm sorry.
It's
and $100 upside from here.
and prepared to leg in more if I need to. So you know, this was all part of the plan.
Again,
we're at 3.7. We're at 377, and 374 is about as far as I think we can go down now. I mean, granted, Friday is right around the bends, and if we break it, we break it. But if not, then we are basically at the bottom. I mean, we got a channel top at 374 that dates back almost to the beginning of time. So if we break it, it is what it is.
I think the only thing we're going to break is the watch that says the beginning of time.
Yeah.
So, first of all, pain. That was painful here. Second of all,
what was?
No, when Mr. Connection speaks about like long-term stuff, usually it scares me. So I'm sitting there just like, rubbing my hands together. I'm like, Mr. Connections, don't please, don't say anything that's going to make me change, my whole entire life. But very much joking here. The information you bring up in regards to the fundamental economic side is incredible. I was just.
I'm completely with all you guys. Long term, I think TQQ goes back to 100 and higher with splits and such. I just think it's going to see closer to 5 before it sees closer to 30.
Good. All right, so here's why I say good. Here's why I say fantastic. So right now, I'm talking to a couple of different businesses, and if I can get within the next, couple weeks, month, these businesses on board and locked and loaded, they are going to outperform the last 7 to 10 years of their portfolio growth in the next 2 from these levels, or even the next 1, which I am just to be able to say that for the folks that I'm going to be working with and what that's going to do for their businesses. There's not a whole lot that makes me happier. So again, I'm not happy about the fact that the market's not doing well, but I know that with new cash available,